Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a room tour of the Rodeway Inn in Roswell, New Mexico. This is a king suite room, handicap accessible, non-smoking. There's a king size bed in the room, sofa, desk and chair, strange dresser, fridge and microwave, flat screen TV. And this room is in the front on the first floor, facing the highway. Room looks clean, just very outdated. There's a closet in the room with an ironing board and iron. And a shower tub combination. And the sink. If you're in Roswell, New Mexico, looking for a cheap stay, check out the Rodeway Inn.